Hi, boys and girls. We're ready to retell the story of Sophie and the Perfect Poem. Now, before you do this activity, you need to have already listened to the story, Sophie and the Perfect Poem. If you have not listened to it, stop this video and go back and listen to the story. If you're still going on, that means that you have listened to the story, Sophie and the Perfect Poem. So now we are going to look at the materials that we need to retell the story. You will need this retelling story map and the 3 retelling cards. If you do not have those items, pause the video now and go and get them. All right, you have your materials, so we're ready to get started. Let me explain the retelling story map to you. In this first section, you are going to put the picture card of what happened in the beginning of the story. So you want to look at the pictures and see what's happening in them. And the one that shows what happened at the beginning, you're just going to set it right here in this box. It's the beginning of the story. Go ahead and do that now. Pause the video. Good job. Now the next section of our story map says middle. So we want to find the picture card, a retelling card, that shows us what happened in the middle of the story, Sophie and the Perfect Poem. Pause the video while you find that retelling card and set it right here in this box. One more portion to go on our retelling story map. This section says the end. So you're going to find the picture card of our story retelling cards that shows what happened at the end of the story. Pick that card up and put it right here in the box that says the end. Pause the video while you do that. All right, now that you have all of your cards where they belong, in the beginning, middle, end, we have one more thing we need to do. I need you to get ready to retell the story. Now, you can either take a picture or do a video where you are actually explaining to your teacher what happened at the beginning, middle, and end of the story. Be sure to send that to your teacher on Seesaw and to put all of your materials back in the container so that the next student can do this retelling activity. I can't wait to hear all of your retelling.